Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So ladies, today we have an exciting recipe we're sharing, which our hair has been absolutely loving, and this is the aloe vera hair growth oil. If you're experiencing bald spots, dandruff or thinning edges, this is the perfect hair oil for you to try. It not only has conditioning properties from the aloe vera, but it also has major hair growth stimulants like fenugreek and black seeds. So in order to make the oil, we're going to start by chopping up some chunks of aloe vera before adding our seeds and oils. The aloe vera is giving main character energy. She literally is the star of this oil. Aloe vera is a very powerful agent for hair growth, as it keeps your hair strengthened and also super conditioned, whilst the seeds like fenugreek and black seeds contain thickening properties to revive hair strands on the scalp, stop hair shedding and also promote hair growth. The combination of all these ingredients is what actually makes this hair oil so powerful. This hair oil combination works wonders on people suffering from bald spots, from alopecia, thinning edges, flaky scalps, dandruff, slow hair growth that can be annoying, hair breakage, and even for the gentlemen that have beard patches. If you want, you could actually swap out some of the ingredients in this oil to suit your hair porosity. We would actually recommend coconut oil or jojoba oil for low porosity ladies, and avocado oil or castor oil for high porosity ladies. So once you finish double boiling your oil and letting it sit overnight, it is now time to strain it. One thing we love about this oil is its fluidity. Thanks to the aloe vera infusing its gel-like moisture, this oil is so lightweight and super moisturizing. It doesn't sit on your scalp and clog up your pores like most oils do. This oil is just lightweight and it's amazing for people that have low porosity hair. This hair oil can also be used every 2 to 3 days by parting your hair in 4 sections and massaging it onto the scalp for an average of 10 minutes. It's also perfect to be used for a hot oil treatment. Using the double boiler method we showed in this video earlier, the hot oil treatment will target and eliminate any dandruff and dry scalp issues. So guys, we are currently obsessed with this oil and we are making a bigger batch very soon. But in the meantime, feel free to comment on what you think about this oil, if you're trying it or if you're adding anything else to it. Lastly, we want to thank you guys so much because we've currently hit 50,000 subscribers, and honestly guys, we cannot even believe it. We are so grateful. We feel so blessed to have beautiful ladies and gentlemen that watch our videos as a community and support our channel. Thank you guys so much. Honestly, we are so grateful, and thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.